ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मैं ऑफिस की कोई सीईओ हूँ, जैसे मैं ऑफिस जा रही हूँ. Hi guys and welcome back to Jyoti Gia Love. Now few days ago I had done one haul, that is affordable makeup haul, and if you have not seen that video, please click on this I link and you can see that video. In that video I had shown you my recent purchase, that was a set of brushes. It had 10 brushes, and I had also told you that I was loving that brush set, and you all were like you wanted a review. Then you also wanted to know from where I got the brush sets and all, and I'm so sorry that I'm doing this video very late. So yes, I thought why not give a review regarding that brushes. So here I am today for the review. So if you want to know everything about this brush set, then please keep on watching. As I am also a makeup beginner, so I wanted a set of brushes and I asked Payal to help me out for this, and she suggested me this brush set, and I'm glad कि मैंने ये ले लिया. So this is from the brand called Generic. It says it's Generic Foundation Eyeshadow Makeup Brush. First let me tell you about the MRP of this 10 brush sets. The MRP here is written 15.99, but I got this brush set only for like 500 rupees. Yes, I'm so happy that I got this for just like 500 rupees. So first let's talk about its packaging. Now I got this from Amazon. I'm going to link all the details about this brush, and similar kind of, if I get all the other links also, I will mention that also. Now I purchased this like a few days back. I really don't know what what is the price right now. It may be less, it may be more, I don't know, but I'll just find it out and I'll link it down in the description box. Go and check out there if you want this. I got this from Amazon, and when I opened the box, it was in this manner only. So it was of course sealed. It's not it's not open like this because I've used it many times, so now the packaging is looking a little clumsy. But I got this in this manner. There was no pouch, there was no proper bag, but I think for 500 rupees I don't think anyone is going to give you pouch. But I received this in this manner. Packaging is not that good, but it's okay for the MRP. Then inside I'm having here 10 brushes. Now each and every brush has got its own packet like this. I have kept this just to show you, otherwise I think I have already lost one. So I have already used few of the brushes, as you can see. So yes, each of the brushes came with their small cute packets like this. And the color, as you can see, it's here pink, and then above it's like silverish color. So it's very good, and it's very easy to hold it. It's not slippery, or it's not that rough kind of nothing. So I think this is also a good point. I've used it a couple of times, and there are no fallouts of these bristles. It's very dense and it's very soft and smooth. It's not at all harsh or something like that. Don't worry, I'm going to zoom and show you and tell you and explain you each and everything I know about each of the brushes. So it's very soft, it's very dense, and there were no fallouts. Even when I used it, there were no fallouts. So yes, that is great. Plus the brushes doesn't has any bad or good smell. It doesn't has any smell. So I think that is also a good thing, because if you think that it's a cheap brush, like for 500 rupees you are getting 10 brushes, so it must stink or it must have fallouts or anything, then no, it doesn't has any such thing. And I think that's a big yay. One thing which I didn't like about this brushes is when you take this out, you will not find anything written here, like not any brand name or which eyeshadow is for what. Like I thought I would get one pamphlet or something, note that will mention ki this brush is used for this, or you can use this for this. So that was also missing. So I think I was disappointed by that. But other than that, you will get your 5 face brushes which can be used for foundation, concealer, everything, and then 5 small brushes that is for your eyes, for eyeshadows and everything like that. But according to me, I don't think makeup has any rules, and these tools, you can use any tools for multi-purpose. As you can see, I have not used each and every brushes. I have used only few of them. So now I'm going to zoom in and just tell you everything about these brushes individually. So if you want to know these, then please keep on watching. So quickly let's start with our first brush, that is flat top brush. This you can use for blending your foundations, BB creams, basically the base for face makeup. As you might know that I don't use foundations that much. So yes, I use that for blending my Pond's BB cream, and trust me, it really blends very smoothly and it doesn't leave any crease line, harsh lines, nothing like that. So I was very impressed with this. Happy me. Okay, so the second brush here is angled flat top brush. Because of its shape, what you can do, it's very easy to blending around your eyes. It will be very useful for blending your concealers, also for contouring, as you can see. So you can use this in multi-purpose ways. So that was great. Now third is this round brush. I simply love this one. As you can see, I cannot stop my hands, like it's so soft, it's so fluffy. It's very perfect for your compact, for your powder, also for blush. But I didn't use this for blush right now. I just used for my compact and it did its job pretty well. Fourth is this again angled round brush, and you can use this for applying your blush. Also you can use this in other ways, but here I have used it as my blush. I have used this Savannah blusher, and I have used this brush to it's so tongue twisting, trust me, and it again did its job very well. Last is this what do you call this, tapered brush, or you can also call this dome shaped brush. Many people don't like this, but frankly speaking, I love this one also. I use this for placing my contours in place, and then again also a little bit for blending, but as you have seen, I use other brush for blending that contours, but you can use this for the same thing, or else if you have big forehead for like mine, then you can also use this for your temples. Now starting for the smaller brushes, first is this angled fluffy brush. This you can use for blending your crease areas around your eyes, and this you can use for other ways also. But right now I didn't this I don't have any demo for this. Next is small fluffy blending brush, and as you can see, this is so fluffy and it blends your eyeshadow so amazingly. I cannot even explain you. So that was that. Now third is this small flat top brush. What you can do with this is you can use this for buffing in your concealers, but I'm sorry I don't have demo for this. You can use this for applying your highlighters also, but I didn't use this. Next brush is a small angled flat top brush. This I have used for my highlighters, as you can see, in my brow bones and bridge of the nose, wherever highlighters you apply, like Cupid's bow, chin, then cheekbone areas. Yes. Then last is this mini tapered brush. As a small tapered brush, you can use this for many things, like placing your eyeshadows in place, or else I have used this for contouring my nose. As you can see, I have placed it makes the job so easy. So that was all for our today's video. I hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video, कोई बिगनर होगा जिसको जरूरत होगा, then it might help them also. All my social media links are below in the description box. Please do follow me there if you want so, and please do come and say hi to me there. I love to chat with you also. Yes, that was all for today's video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.